Cosmos DB in Microsoft Fabric allows you to unify your data estate with cross-database queries without pipelines or ETL. In this demo, we'll run a cross-database query with Cosmos DB. We'll be using small, curated datasets to perform a simple join on an orders table in SQL and Fabric and a customer's container in Cosmos DB in Fabric. Your data is automatically mirrored into OneLake and transformed into the Delta Lake format, enabling you to query your NoSQL data with T-SQL through the SQL Analytics Endpoint. First, open the Cosmos DB item and switch to the SQL Analytics Endpoint. In the Explorer on the left side, select the Add Warehouses button. Then, add another SQL Analytics endpoint that exists in the same workspace. Next, open the query editor to craft your query. And notice how this first query attempt fails. To run a valid cross-database query, you must use the naming convention of database name, schema name, and object name. For Cosmos DB, you'll only need to reference the database name and container name. With the proper naming conventions, we're successfully able to query NoSQL and relational data together in Fabric. Try it yourself and follow the Cosmos DB YouTube channel for more.